In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your brake pad on your Subaru WRX 0607. All you need are your choice of brake pads, some brake lubricant, anything really to push the pistons in so you can fit your new calipers in, and jack stands. First you want to raise your car and remove your tire. Remove your tire. Next you want to remove this clip right here. Right there. So you're able to remove these pins. What is the next step after that? Now after the clip's removed, you can push these in. Then they are. Same with this one. Let's go. With the new pad. Just put a little grease on it.